Have you ever wondered how much Google really knows about you? Every search, every video you watch, and even the places you visit can be saved as data. Google uses this information to personalize ads and content. The scary part: most people never check or delete this data. So the question is, are you controlling your data, or is it controlling you? Have you noticed ads showing things you just talked about? Many people think phones listen to us. In reality, apps track searches, clicks, and behavior. This creates the illusion of listening. But even if it's not your microphone, the data collection is still powerful. So, coincidence or smart tracking? Did you know that most world maps are actually wrong? Common maps stretch countries, making some look bigger than they are. Greenland, for example, looks huge but isn't. This happens because of map projection limits. So what you see on maps isn't the real size of the world. Why isn't money made from normal paper? Most banknotes are made from cotton, not paper. Cotton makes money stronger and longer lasting. That's why bills don't tear easily. So next time you touch money, remember, it's closer to fabric than paper. If you delete something online, is it really gone? The internet never truly forgets. Screenshots, backups, and servers can keep data forever. Even deleted posts may still exist somewhere. This is why your digital footprint matters more than you think. What is really happening inside Area 51? This secret US military base has been restricted for decades. Many believe it hides alien technology. While the truth is classified, the mystery alone made it world famous. Sometimes secrets create bigger stories than facts. Why do some videos explode while others fail? YouTube watches how long people stay, like, and comment. If viewers leave early, the video dies. If they stay, it spreads fast. So the algorithm doesn't care who you are, only how people react. What if mistakes were the key to success? Microwaves, penicillin, and post-it notes were accidents. Someone made a mistake, noticed it, and changed the world. This proves that failure can be more powerful than perfect planning. Microwave. A candy bar melted near a radar machine, and that accident led to the microwave. Penicillin. Mold accidentally killed bacteria in a lab, changing medicine forever. Post-it notes. A failed glue became the world's most useful sticky note. Coca-Cola, a wrong mixture, created one of the most famous drinks in history. X-ray, an experiment mistake revealed images from inside the human body. Why does the same emoji look different on every phone? Each company designs emojis in its own style. That's why the same emoji can feel happy on one phone and angry on another. A small design change can completely change the message. Will cash disappear in the future? Digital payments are growing fast. Many countries already use phones instead of cash. But cash still means freedom and privacy. The real question is not if money will change, but how fast.